Hey guys, Ron Osborne, the travel doc here at Hillman Ferry Campground, located in Land Between the Lakes, right outside of Grand Rivers, Kentucky. We are continuing in this series of looking at all of the amenities that Hillman Ferry Campground has to offer, and they are vast. This place has got their act together, not the least of which is a fish cleaning station. Kentucky Lake and Barkley Lake both offer trophy fishing. Some of the best fishing in this part of the United States is found right here in this camping area. I want you to get a load of this fish cleaning station that they have available for you. In order to minimize debris and garbage at the campsites, Hillman Ferry Campground offers a nice serviced area for fish cleaning. There are hoses to spray down your boat or your catch or clean out containers, things like that. There is a little bucket over here that people just leave extra Clorox. Bleach is available. All the campers are really good about pitching in and helping out with this. You see there is electric service here for those people that have electric knives that they enjoy using, and then a cutting table with water. Water is available, spray water is available for you so you can clean up as you go. The smell's a little rank here, as you might expect. People clean fish here. But this is a nice metal surface that is just perfect after a long day of fishing to have a place where you can come and prep and prepare all of your fish without worrying about having the mess at your campsite. This is just one of many amenities available here at Hillman Ferry Campground to make things as good as they can possibly be for your camping fun. I'm Ron Osborne, the travel doc. I'm here to cure all of your travel troubles. Have a great day.